Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to unbox Mavic. Here I have already unboxed it. So you can see I have two boxes. I have already lost my drone. Okay, so you should be careful when you are going to first fly it. It has sensors. But you should be careful. Okay, so I'm going to tell you guys that what we have in the box. We have the propeller guards, 4 extra propellers, one charger, this is lovely Mavic Air, one battery, this is remote control, and we have the protector as well where you can put the drone. It can save you from many you can say sharding. And so we have the drone has the sensors front and back. It has not sensors in sides, and it has sensors down as well. You can see from here, but not up there. So you can, when you are going to fly it indoor, so you should be very careful that what you are doing. So these propeller guards you should be used indoors. You should not use the outdoors. While it can protect your propellers, but this can also decrease your battery timing as well. So we have the lovely gimbal as well. It can make the cinematic videos as well. I have two boxes. I have told you guys this is the cable, and we have the proper manual. You should read it very carefully when you are going to fly, because it's $900 drone and you should at least care about it. You cannot buy these type of drones daily. Okay, so all we have is this. So now I will tell you guys when you on it what it do. Okay, so it's basically tell you guys. So here we go. So we have that. So it's turned on now. So what you are going to do is just turn your cell phone, turn on, and here this remote control, you should be in 45-degree angle, always in 45-degree angle, so that you can get the best signal. So you should here you can put your cell phone here and here. So you should turn it on. It will also beep. So here it turned on. When it turned on, so my cell phone is not really good. It's Sony XA. So first, when you turned it on,
critically low battery.
So it's saying critical low battery. I have already make one flight. So actually my cell phone is jammed. So come on. So what you are going to do is just turn it on. When you turn it on, it will automatically goes to DJI app. So you will need a DJI app to fly your drone. So when you turn it on, so it is telling me that it's low battery. It has the low battery. So you click on go fly. It will first check that what type of firmware you have. It is updated or not. So my is updated. So this is all the thing you have. So here you can fly. You have a lot of options. So you should fly in APAS mode, so that the sensors are on and it can do when you do not know how to fly. So you should stop it. Okay, stop. It will do by himself what it is doing. Okay, so you should not, when you are like saying you are not going to control it, just make it to him. It will do it by himself. Okay, I will show you guys that how much features we have here. I have made many videos, so I will show you in next step. Okay, here So now we are going to fly it, and we can check how much features it has. So first of all, we are going to check the rocket feature. It will go straight up and make a globe like shape, you can see from here. Yeah, it's really beautiful. Next quick shot is the circle shot. When you click on the circle button, it will automatically goes around you to capture you all around the 360-degree. It will capture. Next mode is the follow on mode. So you will click on the thing which you want him to follow. It's your car, it's you, it's anything you want to follow. Okay, so click on the thing, it will follow you. It's the best mode we have in this, and it is 4K videos, so it's really beautiful. We have the mode, so it will follow you. And it will follow your car as well. It's really beautiful. Another function is that it work on your hand gestures. It can follow your hand. You can make pictures, you can do anything with it. So this is it, guys, all the function we have. So I have forget to tell you guys few more information. It has the battery timing of 21 minutes, but it will not give you the battery timing for 21 minutes. It depends on the wind speed, the weather conditions, so it will not give you the 21 minutes flight timing. And so it's really good drone to fly. I will give you more information on it in my later video. So I think I have covered all of it. So please share my video, comment on the section below, and like it as well. So thank you for watching.